Hello everyone. I hope you all are good and in the best of health and spirits. Nowadays we are doing tenses. So be regular in videos because if any video is missed, it will be difficult to understand the next topic. Here now we are at that stage where every topic is very important to learn the English. So, if you have not subscribed the channel yet, then firstly subscribe it so that you will get all the related videos of the channel. Now let's start the today's topic, that is present perfect tense. So, in today's topic, let's understand the negative sentences of present perfect tense. Okay? So, let's understand with few examples. The first one is घंटी नहीं बजी है. So, the solution for it is the bell has not gone. The second sentence is तुमने गेंद नहीं फेंका है. Okay? So, you have not thrown the ball. In the last class, we had already studied that along with singular subjects, has is used, and along with plural subjects, have is used. And in the present perfect tense, always verb third form is used. So, in above sentences, after have and has not is used. To make the sentences negative, to make the sentences negative, and after that verb 3 is used. Let's understand the interrogative sentences of present perfect tense. Okay, so now let's understand with few examples. The first one is क्या मैंने ऐसा कहा है. Okay, so in the interrogative sentences we are basically asking the questions. So here have and has is used before. Okay, so for the sentence क्या मैंने ऐसा कहा है, the solution is have I said so and question mark. And we had already studied that along with plural subjects, that is I, we, you, boys, along with all the plural subjects, have is used, and along with singular subjects, that is he, she, Geeta, along with all the singular subjects, has is used. Okay, so move on to the next sentence, that is क्या चपरासी ने घंटी बजाई है. क्या सेंटेंस था, क्या चपरासी ने घंटी बजाई है. So the solution for it is has the peon rung the bell. So, for the formation of interrogative sentences, firstly, have is used along with plural subjects plus verb 3. As I had already said that in the present perfect tense, verb third form is used. Okay. The next is along with has, singular subjects is used plus verb third form is used. So these are the two basic rules of formation of interrogative sentences of present perfect tense. Okay. Thank you everyone. I hope this video will help you in learning English. We are trying to provide the best for you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe it. Have a wonderful day ahead.